County fair season is underway, and thanks to Likes Mercantile, we made it to Pickaway County, where we are with Vaughn Cremines, who is the board president. And Vaughn, tell us about the fair so far.
The fair's been real good this year so far. Yesterday was our first big opening day. We had 2 inches of rain overnight, so the campgrounds and things are a little bit muddy, but all the new buildings are dry. Everything up here is good on the hill where all the animals are, so it's been awesome. The kids love it, the parents love it. It's been a real good experience.
And you mentioned a new building, and it seems like that's sometimes quite a challenge to get a new building constructed on a fairgrounds. And you guys said, well, forget about one building, we're going to do 6 of them. Tell me a little bit about what that process was like.
Well, we worked really well with the commissioners. Our old fairgrounds was in very, very, very bad shape. Roofs leaking, walls disintegrating, just real poor shape. So we've worked with the commissioners for the past couple years, developed a plan, and the commissioners have stepped up and built some new fairgrounds. We've done private funding and public. So yes, we built actually 7 new buildings, and you can count it 8 if you count the amphitheater. So 8 new buildings in 11 months.
And there had to be a little bit of stress as looking at that with the winter season and with the wet weather that we've had going. Are we going to pull this all off?
There was many days that Jay Whipple was the commissioner here in the county, that he and I would talk, and we tried to decide whether we were going to get it done. We had over 54 inches of rain on this site since we started tearing it down. So it's been a challenge, but a great group of people came together and got it done.
So what did some of the plans, the behind the scenes look like as, hey, you know, we're getting close and maybe we aren't quite ready? Did you have a backup plan for if the fair wasn't going to be able to be held at this location?
We did not have a backup plan ever. It was always going to be held here. We never wavered from that. There was a lot of rumors that we wavered from that, but we never wavered that these people would get it done. And a great group of contractors worked on this, and the electricians worked for the past 4 months, 12 sevens or 7 12s a day, every day, getting ahead. The steel workers worked all winter long in the snow. If there wasn't snow on the roofs, they were roofing. If there was snow on the roofs, they was hanging steel on the sides. So a great group of people was put together.
Carson Summers is an exhibitor who says he appreciates those upgraded facilities.
Oh, these new facilities are really, really nice. I like it, and sometimes when I walk in, like in the morning, I'm just like, I just remember what they were like and now what they are, and I'm just like, wow.
Summers says that the new facility has inspired him to stick around the fair for a while.
I'm planning on doing 4-H until I graduate, and then hopefully I can get on maybe like the fair board or help in some way.
Reporting from the Pickaway County Fair, I'm Colt Buckenroth.